In this presentation we will show the correct method of installing the UMB mounting bracket on the FG4 through FG6 inline fans. Each fan comes with the mounting bracket, installation instructions and mounting hardware. The UMB mounting bracket fits the FG4 through the FG6. Mounting hardware includes 4 number 10 by 3/4 wood screws for mounting the bracket to a suitable stud or header, and 4 by number 10 half-inch self-tapping screws to attach the bracket to the fan body. The UMB bracket is installed on the inlet end of the fan, on the outer ring. For the FG4 and 5, select the 2 inner holes in the mounting bracket, securing it to the fan with 2 half-inch self-tapping screws. Once the bracket is secure, ensure that the motor wheel turns freely. Three securing points are used for the FG4XL, 5XL, DBF4XL and DBF4XLT. Here we show making pilot holes using a 7/64 drill bit prior to installing the half-inch self-tapping screws. Once the mounting bracket is secure, ensure the motor wheel turns freely. For the FG6 we use 4 mounting points and 4 half-inch self-tapping screws to secure the bracket to the fan. Once the bracket is secure, ensure the motor wheel turns freely. Here the UMB mounting bracket is correctly installed on the FG4 through the FG6. For the FG4 and 5, 2 half-inch self-tapping screws are used. For the FG4XL, 5XL, DBF4XL and DBF4XLT, 3 half-inch self-tapping screws are used. And for the FG6 only, we use 4 half-inch self-tapping screws. Point to note, installing the wrong screws or the correct screws in the wrong holes will jam the wheel and cause the fan not to operate.